just going over the I'm just going over the do now portion today. So let's see how you guys did.
Oh.
Okay, you guys probably put it in right. We're just gonna go over it. Let's see. Okay. So can someone read question number 1? Follow.
Negative zero, a solution. C image for graph, -0.
Negative 5.
Okay. Give us a clap. Okay. So we're trying to see if -5, 0 is a solution. So first, we're just gonna plot the point. Start at the origin, we're gonna go left to -5, 5. And we're not going up because our y is 0. Now that we plotted the point, where is that point on the graph? Like, where is it specifically? On the dotted or dashed line. Now, can someone tell me what does the dashed line mean? Sydney. Say that again. Right. So if the dashed line is not a part of the solution, then what kind of inequality sign would we need? Well, what kind of inequality sign would we use?
It's either, I think less than or greater than.
Yeah. It's either less than or greater than. Now, because of the shading, which inequality sign will we use? Who said that? Someone raise their hand and tell me. Alright. Elijah. Okay, why do you say less than? Good observation. And alright. So it is less than because all your solutions is less than your line. Okay. So can someone tell me, do we have a slope? No. Why?
Line is perfectly straight. Like, it doesn't go, it's just perfectly straight up to the post.
So what does that perfectly straight up line mean? Like, what's another word for it? Not vertical. Horizontal.
It's vertical.
Oh yeah, it's vertical. So a vertical line means that there is no slope. So we just have, we have no slope. So we just have x. And we said that x is less than, so what would our x-intercept be since we don't have a slope? -5. So that would be our inequality. But to answer the question, would this point be a solution? No. All right. All right. Can someone read number 2 for me? Jada?
Which inequality is represented on the graph?
standard form. Maya. What two things do we need for slope intercept form? Somebody help her out. Next.
Y-intercept is
Y-intercept is slope. So our slope is -2. Now y-intercept is what? -2. So based on the line, what two type of inequality signs can we use here? Read it. That's right. And why do we use greater than or equal to or less than or equal to? Because line is solid. Okay. So now, which one can we use based on the shading? Jesper. Yeah, that's right. So why do we use greater than or equal to?
Because it's a solid line and it has the shaded area above the line.
Good. So we use the greater than or equal to symbol because the shaded region is above the line. So if we were to piece it all together, it would be y is greater than -2x minus 2. Any questions on how we got this far? Okay. So, going back to our problem or answer choices, does our solutions match up to what we got? It could be a yes or no. Which one? See? Look at what we got up here and then look back on the board.
E. Doesn't match D.
D. Okay. If it was
She
D,
said, does that match?
yes. We're just trying to see,
You're saying you're correct.
does this inequality matches anything up here? Exactly. No. Okay. So, based on our inequality sign, which one can we eliminate? Okay. Someone raise their hand and tell me which answer choices can we eliminate? Here. Okay, why you say B?
It's not.
Okay, what do you see the difference here? That's different from up here. Inequality sign. Okay. Which other one can we eliminate? Well, yes. But first, right. Eliminate C because it's less than or equal to, not greater than or equal to. So the other two answer choices are in standard form, so we're gonna have to change them around. So how can we change this inequality from slope intercept form to standard form? Aubrey.
Standard form?
Yes. How can we change this to standard form?
Good job.
We got 2x plus y is greater than -2. Now, do we have this answer?
Yes.
On the
yes.
board.
It's D.
It's D.
Yeah.
Right. Are there any questions on how we got D? Any wonderings? Okay.
Does that make sense? You said about his question. So, if the answer choice is flipped, it's like one million, it's flipped.
Okay, Calliope. Read number 3. Okay. Based on this scenario, what linear form can we use? Sydney. Standard form, okay? So if we use standard form, that means we have 2 groups. So, do we know the amount of people for students? No? I need to hear y'all.
No.
No. Do we know the amount of people for teachers?
Nope.
Right. So, which one will X represent? Which one? Okay, so which one do we want to use first for X? Students or teachers? Students. Okay. So what would X represent? Jasper? Not the table for the students, but look at the scenario. Yeah, the number of students. And what will Y represent? Yeah, the number of teacher tickets. Okay, so based on the scenario, what would represent the student tickets? Jason. So what would represent the student tickets? Correct.
Good job.
Okay, now what would represent the teacher tickets? Mathematics.
I think it would be 5Y.
What?
What?
Okay. Now what inequality sign will we use in this scenario? Glenn. Less than? Why?
It's under 200 people.
Right. So it's under 200 people.
Good job.
It is not equal to 200 people. It has to be under. So, our inequality will be 4x plus 5y is less than 200. Any questions on how we got this? Good.
Good job.
Bye. Done? Bye, bye, bye. All right, so we're adding on to this last kind of thing we did here. And today we're gonna create systems. Okay, yesterday you learned how to graph the system and find the solution. Now,